Hello and welcome to my class. My name is Gorman and I am your teacher this semester. And I'm so excited to be teaching social media again this semester. So I know that there is a lot of confusion and uncertainty during these times that we are currently living in, but I want to remind you of 5 great things that happened in 2020 that should shed some light of positivity. First and foremost, the Super Bowl halftime performance. 2 powerhouses, Shakira and J-Lo, brought down the house with their halftime performance. It left everyone's jaws on the floor, and if you just need a little pick-me-up, go back and watch that. It's definitely on YouTube. 2 words, Tiger King. Now, if you haven't wasted your time watching Tiger King, I don't know why you haven't. It is worth watching. It's the worst trash you'll ever see. However, very entertaining because of the slew of memes that have come out of Tiger King. Number 3, the Italians. The Italians joined forces and built the morale of what was going on in their country by singing and playing music every night on their balcony to lift everyone's spirits during quarantine. It's definitely something that is worth watching. Number 4, Disney Plus. If you don't have Disney Plus, you should borrow your friend's username and password, because Lin-Manuel Miranda, the writer and creator of Hamilton, dropped a live performance of Hamilton on Disney Plus. And I might or might not have watched it at least twice a day already. And the 5th thing, if you weren't entertained with the first 4, you have to be entertained by this, because by now you're probably a Bucks fan if you weren't before, because we have Tom Brady. Now, besides just lifting your spirits and spreading some positivity, these are also topics that we will explore in my social media class. In social media, you will be exploring and talking about the hot topics that are going on, the things that you see instantaneously on your devices. We'll also be learning different platforms, the history of the platforms, who started it, how much money are they worth, and how you can make money off social media. Yes, you can make money off social media. So we will be learning all the analytics and all the metrics and the marketing schemes that are used on social media in order to be successful, and things that have not been successful. We'll also be looking at canceled culture. That is also a very hot topic that's going on right now. Controversial, but a hot topic. So we will be talking about that and what that has done to the social media platforms of these celebrities or influencers that you might follow that have recently been canceled. Can they come back from it? I don't know. We will find out. A few things in order to be successful in this class is to, number 1, be present. Number 2, have grit. Number 3, communicate. The first thing is being present and being engaged. You will get the most out of this class by putting everything and all that you got into it. Going on to number 2 is having grit. So you don't have to be the smartest person in the room, but you definitely have to be a hard worker. I will set you up for success, so it's up to you to follow through. Number 3, communicate. If you don't understand something or you have something going on, I might not know it unless you communicate with me. And the best way to communicate with me is through Canvas or Remind. So you will see the Remind codes, and please make sure to be proactive and sign up in advance so you're able to make sure that you are enrolled into the class, and you can send me a text and say, hey, this is so-and-so, and I'm looking forward to your class, or if you have a question or whatnot. I'm so excited to get started this semester and get to know each and every one of you, whether we are in face-to-face or we're on Zoom, but we will make the best out of the situation.